Nuane foda kudus nganga ay 𝐬𝐻𝐫𝐿𝐻 asute 𝐬𝐻𝐫 nganga. Abawashi daya mama ay nganga dai matiskinga. Nuane foda kudus nganga ay 𝐬𝐻𝐿𝐻 asute 𝐬𝐻𝐫 nganga. Abawashi daya mama ay nganga dai matiskinga.
Hey guys, so I just left the apartment and I'm on my way to the airport, and so I'm saying bye Nigeria, bye, and we're gonna say hello to Cape Town. We on our way, y'all. Let's get ready for the adventure. Hey guys, so I'm finished eating, right? Matter of fact, I just took like about 2 or 3 bites, and then my stomach started hurting. And then I'm thinking because it was fish, it was like real spicy, but it tastes good, but I haven't eaten anything all day, so I'm thinking maybe that's why my stomach was feeling, it just felt weird. But anyway, I was like, let me stop doing that. So I drank that, I had that Coke, I drank that, and then I got me some water right here, and I got a Chapman, and so it is now, it's like now close to, I think, 9 o'clock. And so anyway, I'm ready to go down to the gate, and I think I'm gonna get me some Krispy Kreme. I seen the Krispy Kreme little kiosk, and I'm gonna get that, and I'm gonna look and see if they have like anything like a sandwich or something, I don't know. But anyway, I'll be getting on the plane pretty soon, and I'm sure that, you know, when you're on the plane, they're gonna, you know, give you some food. Hopefully it's something good. But anyway, guys, let's go to Krispy Kreme. I made it to Cape Town, and I have my tour guide. Okay, I have my tour guide that's picking me up right now.
I was the person to welcome her to Cape Town.
Okay,
my name is,
you can start now.
My name is Principal Chakuna Baby, and I was the person to welcome her to Cape Town. So I'm a tour guide, and so I will be giving a tour of Cape Town to Travis and their letters. So she's gonna enjoy Cape Town in its entirety. We wish you all the best and a happy stay in Cape Town.
Okay. Hey guys, so I finally made it to Cape Town, and I just arrived at the Airbnb that I have, which basically I prefer hotels, but everything was really kind of booked up. So I just got something that I wanted close to the area that I wanted to be in. So anyway, I'm gonna give you all a tour. It's a cute apartment, a cute little apartment. It's really cute. You have a patio right here. This is a patio. This is the entrance right here. So you come in here, and I'm gonna turn around, and I'm gonna be quiet. I'm just gonna show you guys. Do you make that?
No.
Oh.
No. But it's a local artist. That
Oh,
makes
okay. And you said that's made of clay?
Clay.
Oh, wow.
Age-right clay, yeah.
Oh, wow. person that make of stuff to see here in Cape Town. And oh, they have so many gorgeous boutiques. I'm in the mall right now, but I think I like the boutiques that's the standalone storefronts because their stuff is more unique. The mall just have the regular old, same old stuff to me. But anyway, I'm trying not to miss not 1 second of missing anything. I said, let me come back on here because I wasn't on here for a minute because I was so busy looking around, but I wanted to show you guys. So I'm finally ended my day from seeing the what was it, the sea lions and the penguins, and we were supposed to do the cart to Lion's Head, but it was too windy. So I'm back at the Airbnb now, and it's about 8:30. But I came back earlier and I just walked around the waterfront area, and I'm tired, and I was like, oh shoot, I didn't even pick up the camera. I was like, let me tell y'all what happened. So basically everything was good. It was a good day. I couldn't do the cable cart, but hopefully if it's not windy this tomorrow or in the next few days, I'll get a chance to do that. But I didn't let you all know what I was wearing. But anyway, what I have on is, okay, so I have on black pants, and this top right here is from Rwanda. It's like a sweatshirt, except it's longer in the back. It's longer in the back, and right here it has what you call it, the elastic right here. And what this is it looks like a bow, right? But it's not. Look up. This is how I don't know if they still do it, but how I know they used to wear their hair like this. The men in Rwanda, it's like royalty. They cut their hair like this. So just look up hairstyles of Rwanda, and you will see it. You'll be amazed. And I got this from some boutique that was in Rwanda, and I thought it was unique, so that's why I got it. Guys, you know I like unique stuff, different stuff. And so basically that's it. So I am about to take a shower, and I'm going to go ahead and relax, and I need to see what I'm gonna do tomorrow. I need to look at my email and see what I'm gonna do tomorrow, because usually the tourist guys, they usually send you an email and say, okay, be ready 8 o'clock in the morning, I'm gonna pick you up. And guys, this morning, I almost probably got left because I was ready, but I think I woke up like about 7:45, and he was supposed to come get me at 8 o'clock. He said between 8 and 8:30, and I was sleeping so good in this bed. Oh my God, I was sleeping so good. But anyway, plus I probably was tired from traveling and everything too.
The next day.
Hey guys, good afternoon now. It's day 3 in Cape Town, South Africa. And today I am going to go on a city tour. I'm going on a city tour. It's not with the hop on, hop off, it's like with the driver, and I think it's a few other people also. But anyway, yesterday when I did the tour with the tour guide, the group I was with, we couldn't do the cable cart because of the wind. So that's like the downfall. You can like schedule, have a tour going on, and now because of the wind, if you're doing something like helicopter ride, the cart, they're going to, you know, it could be canceled. So I'm kind of disappointed as that, and I'm checking, is it, you know, for the wind to not be so windy. But anyway, we can't help that. But I'm ready to go out, and I'm waiting for the driver to pick me up, the tour guide, rather. Saying something about the grade.
That would have been really time to governor was about 4 days to
At the end of the day, the day got in. I see me through the process. I don't really want no problems. Big thing got no merit. Big thing got no posture. Round here we keep G'd up, kick my feet up out my posse, and deposit, keep it posy. Shout my nigga Johnny, stay 10 down. The way they talk, these niggas lost me. I bet on me, I'm never losing. Tell me how I'm finna cut my losses. All I got is my word, and that is serving the truth. I'm off of the goose. She love us to me. I'm liberated, my spirit is free. This sounds so nuanced. Dick sauce like Poupon. For the bay like Cool John. Rich thoughts, I'm bossed up. But if it's my plate, I know they nauseous. I keep shit cautious. But she tryna be booed up. She don't know about her roster.
No, it wasn't
act like
bad.
you was.
It's
I'ma be him
beautiful.
to the
It's a
coffin.
beautiful country.
Back in the gym, I'm balling. Back in the gym with a tonic. I'm tryna fill up my pocket. She want me to hit in the bonnet. I'm tryna cop me a rocket, get high as the sky when I wanted no problem. Stress-free living, now I did my time. My mind was prison. Now the safest place with plenty pages, bitch, I'm winning. Sick when you see me beat my curses, I deserve it. See me pushing down 580, heavy grinning. I could tell I know they mad, cause I know my purpose. I'm about my bag, cause I deserve it. I'm about my bag, and I know my purpose. Hands on know my purpose. Hands on the wheel, you can see me swerving. Tell I know. What's up, my nigga? Heard you got that.
Hey guys, so we're on the top of Signal Hill Mountain in Cape Town, waiting for the sunset to set.
The next day.
Hey guys, so right now, matter of fact, it's day 5, and I had to hurry up and get dressed. Day 5, and today we are doing the Cape Town helicopter ride. So hey guys, so I just got finished doing the helicopter ride. It was nice. If you're interested in doing that helicopter ride, I got that one for $136, and they did it for it was like 15 minutes. But it was a nice. It didn't seem like it went that fast, but it was nice just to take a helicopter ride and see what the country. So I'm at this place called Old Biscuit Mill, and it's an interesting place. It's like a big market with things where they're selling and food.
Everything falls to place in time. Live for the mix and blend, no 8s or 9s, and everything's 10. Like what never been hard. Easy, yeah, you know we got scars. Following signs of following stars. Following ceiling, following hearts. You can do it when you want to, yeah, no rush. Life is amazing, life is enough. You know where you stand when you know your stuff. You know how it goes when you know your.
Hey guys, so today is the day I leave Cape Town, South Africa. Yesterday was day 5 and today is day 6. It is today is Sunday, and I leave. And I'm in an Airbnb. So it's 9:16 right now, our time, South African time, and so I have to be out the Airbnb by 10. This is my first time ever staying in an Airbnb. Usually, I just like to stay in the hotels. That way, you have all your services. But it was nice. It was nice staying here because I'm around a lot of restaurants and everything. I'm gonna show you guys the outside. Let's see if it's not too bright. So this is outside, guys. The patio. As you can see, this is the patio that's coming from the apartment, and this is the scenery outside here. If you go here to the left, let's see. That's Signal Hill, and that's where I had did the paragliding. And so this is how the street looks. And I go to the right of me, straight ahead. That's the ocean. That's the ocean, right? But anyway, guys, what I'm going to do is I am closing out this vlog because I'm on my way to the airport. And even though my flight I have a lot of time before my flight leaves, like at least about 4 4 hours. But I gotta be at the Airbnb, and I could do some other stuff before I leave. I don't know, I'm gonna have to see. But anyway, I hope you like the vlog. Don't forget to subscribe and like. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.